Mastering bad and badly, the correct usage in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're tackling an intriguing topic in English grammar, which is the difference between the words bad and badly. You might think they're interchangeable, but in fact, each has its specific usage. Today, we'll explore their use in the context of describing performance or actions. So, let's dive in. First, we need to understand that bad and badly are different types of words. Bad is an adjective, meaning it's used to describe nouns or pronouns. On the other hand, badly is an adverb, which is used to modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Example with bad: she felt bad about forgetting her friend's birthday. Example with badly: he plays the piano badly. Now let's take a look at how we can use bad and badly to describe performance or actions. Generally, we use bad after linking verbs such as is, seems, feels, or looks. These verbs describe a state of being, so they require adjectives like bad instead of adverbs. Example: the team played bad today. On the other hand, badly modifies action verbs and tells us how something was done. Example: she sang badly at the concert. It's important to note that the verb feel can be a linking verb or an action verb. So, if we're describing an emotional state, linking verb, we'd use bad. But, if we're describing the physical act of feeling, action verb, we'd use badly. Example with linking verb: she feels bad about losing her keys. Example with action verb: she feels badly because she burned her fingers and has lost some sensation. We hope this video has been helpful in distinguishing between bad and badly when describing performance or actions. Remember, bad is an adjective and goes with linking verbs, while badly is an adverb and modifies action verbs. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Stay tuned for more grammar lessons, and happy learning!